Good evening, fit and healthy family. So, thankfully, I have made it to the end of the day. This has been a big challenge for me, and I thank you all for hanging with me through it. So, I've got my blender set up here for the last meal, and what's going in here is 1 cup of cashew milk, unsweetened vanilla, 25 calories. And then I'm adding 6 dried figs, and I soak them in water for over an hour before uh, this. So yeah, they're nice and soft, so they should blend up okay. And I'm gonna use 1 serving of PB2 powdered almond butter, and then I've got a whole banana here. I'm not sure how many calories there's in this, but I'm guessing it's probably less than 100. So, and then for sweetness, I'm going to add, it should be sweet enough, but I'm just gonna try this. And I'll add a little bit of this Lakanto maple flavored syrup, which is 0 sugar, 1 net carb. You see it's 25 calories and 30 milliliters. I'll probably add half of that. So 12 calories, 12 or 13 calories worth. All right, so let me do that, and I'll come back. I just wanted to come back and show you guys how I do my almond butter powder. What I do is I put it on the scale and I zero it out, and then I'm able to scoop out the amount that I need. You see I've got 12 grams there. Okay, almost. I need 13. So this way I can get the right amount out and not be wasteful. Yeah, so that's how I do that. I put the PB2, the almond butter powder or peanut powder. Okay, it's still saying 12. Let me mess with it one more time. Okay. So I put it on the scale, zero it, and then basically get it to go negative for the amount that I need. So that's how I handle that. Let me come back. Okay, I'm gonna let you all see the texture of that. See what that's looking like. Let me just pour it in my favorite glass here. Time to wind down. All right, you all, I'm back. So this is the smoothie, and it tastes like dessert. It's my first time trying this. It's really good. I would say that if I had this every day, as of right now, I probably would have zero cravings for dessert. And I did take my glucose health probably right at 30 minutes ago. I don't know. I may have cut it a little bit close, but this is the chromium and vanadium supplement that you would take to stabilize blood sugar, which is what I want through the night so I can sleep through the night. I don't want to be crashing overnight and then waking up hungry or feeling like, I don't know, weird. So yeah, that's why I went ahead and saved my 3rd dose of this. This is set up to take 3 times a day, 30 to 45 minutes before meals. So I took it with meal 1 and meal 3 or 4. I can't remember which one. I'll check my notes. And then I'm taking it here with this meal 7. And so, yeah, here it is. It is that banana with the powdered PB2 almond butter powder and those 6 figs blended up with cashew milk. I don't know if I need to do 6 figs. This is a 3-day raw program, so I may do 4 tomorrow because this is really rich. And it may be the Lakanto monk fruit syrup that I added, that added maybe a little bit too much sweetness. So I'll play around with it to see. And I just wanted to highlight one of these books, a book that I recommend for everyone who is trying to reverse chronic illness or disease, whether it be cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, hypertension, coronary artery disease, all of that. Research has shown, Dr. Thomas Seyfried has illustrated in this great book, that cancer is a metabolic disease. And what we can do is we can starve cancer and all other metabolic disease of calories when we reduce our calorie consumption. So you can literally reverse chronic illness if you go on a low calorie diet. And that's what this is. I'm not sure what my totals are. I'll do another like recap video. Definitely not tonight. I'm done tonight. This is 7 videos in one day. Is I think I just set a record for myself. So I'm not going to do another one tonight, but I will do one tomorrow where I go over the health benefits of all the foods that I chose for the raw fast, or the raw fruit, mostly no cook fast. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this for 3 days. So today's day 1, and I will let you know what my results were at the end of it. Day 3, I'll report if I dropped weight and if I dropped inches off my waist, which is, waist to height ratio. And I've said that before in other videos, that is the most important measure in determining your overall metabolic health, much better than BMI, body mass index, waist to height ratio. So if I can drop a couple centimeters off my waist or something, and maybe if I drop a pound or 2, that will show me that this did do something positive for my body. And after this, I'm going to do another video series on another cleanse, detox plan. Not nearly as restrictive, but kind of restrictive. It'll be egg focused. So hope this helps you guys. Hope this was helpful to somebody. Hope this helps you to jumpstart your pandemic pound elimination project. You can do it. And yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys not in a couple of hours, maybe tomorrow, and maybe not until next week. We'll see how things go. All right, take care. Bye now.